Begin by removing the 2 screws on the back of your device using the tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Gently pry apart your Garmin using the shim tool provided. Detach the 2 connectors from the circuit board as shown. Remove the original battery. Place a strip of double-sided tape in the battery compartment. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com onto the double-sided tape. Reattach the 2 connectors to the circuit board. Gently snap the device shut. Replace the 2 screws. Turn on your Garmin Nuvi with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Garmin should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the unit for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. newpower99.com, your source for batteries for your cell phone, PDA, MP3 player, laptop, and more. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.